So, for example, our first one is sine of theta is twice sine of theta cosine of theta. Now, I can't build any new angles that I don't already have using this. Like with the half angle formula, I can take any unit circle angle and cut it in half and get something new that I didn't have before. I can't really do that with this because everything I have in unit circle, I already know double the angle. So if I wanted to do, I wrote that wrong, sine of 2 theta. Sine of 2 theta equals this. If I wanted to use this to say find sine of 60, I could say sine of 60, oh, that's sine of twice 30. Because 60 is twice 30. But I already know sine of 60. I mean, we'll do this just for fun. So my theta there, the guy, half of the one I already know. Theta there is 30. So using this formula, sine of 60 should be twice sine of 30 times cosine of 30. I know both of those. Sine of 30 is a half. Cosine of 30 is root 3 over 2. That's 2 over 1. Just multiply all my fractions. I get 2 root 3 over 4, which is root 3 over 2. So sine of 60, we already know sine of 60. We didn't really gain any new information there. So we can't build new unit circle angles using double angle formulas because we already have them. But they still turn out to be true. Now, where we use these double angle formulas are in questions like this. These are fun. If sine of theta equals 4/5, and theta is in quadrant 2, find sine of 2 theta. These are draw the triangle problems. Every one of these, we have to draw the triangle. There's no other way to do this. If you're using your calculator, you're doing it wrong, and you're going to get the wrong answers. Let's draw a triangle. My angle is in quadrant 2. Remember your reference triangle always lives against the x-axis. Fill in the triangle given what you know. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. 4 over 5. Use Pythagorean to find the third side. So try this on your own. Find the third side, you'll get -3. Pythagorean says, well, let's do it. You get b squared equals 9. So b is plus or minus square root of 9. You have to put in the minuses yourself. We're here in quadrant 2, that's a negative x value. Then sine of 2 theta, let's write down our formula, is twice sine of the original cosine of the original. So sine of 2 theta will be sine of theta, I know that. So there's my 2. Sine of theta will be 4/5. Cosine of theta will be -3/5. And now let's just multiply across the top and across the bottom. 8 times -3 would be -24. And across the bottom, 25. Remember, here's a good check. Sine, the range of sine is -1 to 1. If you ever end up with a fraction, if you ever end up with sine of stuff equals 5/3 plus minus, I don't even care if it's negative. You ever get something like that, you have done goofed. Sine cannot possibly equal something bigger than 1 or less than -1. So a lot of times mistakes happen here. People just simplify fractions wrong. And if, say, we had written this, 30 over 25, that's impossible. Sine can't equal something bigger than 1. The top can't be bigger than the bottom. but that's not what we have.